Oops, I did it again. I just got my Chanel 22 bag in white color, which is 8 months after I got my first 22 bag in black color. So this black color one, my first 22 bag was from the Spring Summer 2022 collection, which I have a detailed review video on it. If you're interested, please check on the link down in the description below. So now I have both my black and my white color 22 bag, which is like a panda. I love it. So in this video, I'm gonna share a few things, why I purchased it, unboxing, comparison with my first 22 bag, what fits, outfit ideas, and my final thoughts. Now let's get started on why I purchased it. The first reason why I purchased my 22 bag in white color is because I just love white color Chanel bags. I only have it in the mini size or the medium large size in classic flap. And so I've been eyeing the white color 22 bag already. The second reason being, I've been just enjoying my 22 bag in black color, which is my first 22 bag when it was first released from the Spring Summer 2022 collection, and I bought it in March 2022. So I've been loving it and I carry it with me when I travel and day-to-day use. So I started to ask my SA to reserve a 22 bag in white color for me, and luckily the next day she texted me and said there is a 23 cruise collection 22 bag in black stitching, which is the one on the left side of the picture. So I went there to have a look, and that is in a small size, whereas my original wish list is actually the white in the classic gold tone hardware in medium size. So I was so lucky that I could compare both sizes. As you can see, there's not much difference between the small and the medium, and in fact I did a detailed review video on the small versus the medium size for the black bag. So if you're interested, click in the link in the description down below. So here I also brought my 22 bag in black for comparison, and I have to say I'm really loving the white color, even for the 23C collection one with the black stitching. But of course my favorites still go to the one without black stitching, because I'm more a minimalist kind of person. So when it comes to handbag as well, I don't like any additional or unnecessary details. So that's the reason I bought my 22 bag in white color, because I love white. And second, I have been enjoying my 22 bag in black color, so I wanted a different one to match my outfit. And third reason being that I try on the bag in person at the boutique and I'm really enjoying it, and I don't want to wait for it until long time because the price might increase, so I decided to make my purchase. Now we come to the most exciting part, unboxing. So as usual, this is a super big Chanel black box. Let's open it. I have to say this box is slightly smaller than my last 22 bag in black color. But yeah, they are the same size in terms of the bag. Let's see what's inside. This is so exciting. Do you see that they give me some kind of white felt dust bag as well? Anyway. So this is a beautiful white color 22 bag in the medium size, as you can see, in vintage gold tone hardware with shiny calfskin. This is a Chanel logo, which is exactly the same as my black Chanel 22 bag. This is the pendant. Beautiful. Here's the strap. Let's look at it inside. As you can see, the lining is made of beige color, and that's an inner compartment with zip pockets, and that's an additional pouch also in shiny calfskin, and this pouch is detachable and you can use it as a travel wallet or for day-to-day bag. This is perfect for my office use actually. Inside the lining of the pouch is also in beige color. Here's the magnet closure on the top. And there you go, this is my Chanel 22 bag. Now I want to show you what kind of white color it is for my 22 bag, which is the one on the right hand side. So the one on the left is the one I didn't buy, which is from the 2023 cruise collection. So that one has a little bit of the gray tone underneath, whereas my white 22 bag, it's more of a true white color with a little bit of the cream finish. So I'm comparing to my Chanel Classic flat bag with the medium size and white caviar leather. You can see the white is almost exactly the same. Whereas if I compare to my 21A creamy white color mini square, you can see the mini square is more creamy than my 22 medium size white bag. So I would have to say my 22 bag in white color, it's more of a true white with a little bit of the creamy tone underneath. Let's compare between the 22K white color versus a 22S black color 22 bag. The one on the left hand side is my first 22 bag in black color, which I purchased in March 2022 from the spring summer collection. That was the first collection that was released. Then the right hand side is my latest purchase, which I just unboxed, and I bought it in November 2022 from the fall winter collection. They're supposed to have the same hardware, the same shiny calfskin leather. Let's feel the texture of the leather of the two bags. I have been using my black 22 bags for more than 60 times. 60, I'm not joking. So the shiny calfskin is getting a bit flattened and a bit softer, whereas the white one, which I just purchased, is much more sturdy. Do note that they have the same product code, just the color is different, okay? So the shiny calfskin is supposed to be the same. And as you can see from the corner, because I've been using the black bag quite a lot, so it has kind of flattened the bottom, which I don't mind because it is a slouchy bag in essence. The white bag has much more sturdy color. And in terms of the hardware, you can see they are exactly the same. This is a vintage gold tone hardware for the logo. The white bag has very strong calfskin smell, just like the first time when I got my black bag. So I would say they have the same characteristic. If we look at the chain, they look exactly the same. But if you look at the trim, there's a little bit of difference. You can see that the edge of the drawstring for my black 22 bag, it's not really touching the edge or the border. Whereas for my white Chanel 22 bag, you can see the stitching is touching the border or the edge of the drawstring. So I am a little bit concerned about it because I don't want this drawstring or pulling to break the stitching. But let's see. Finger crossed it's gonna be okay. So I'm loving both bags and they are from different collection but exactly the same product details. The stitching is also exactly the same, but on the top part, as you can see, I've been using a drawstring quite a lot for the black bag. You can see there's some ruching, which is a natural. And let's open the bag and have a look. This is in a black lining for the black bag, whereas for the white bag, it is in beige lining, which I find more cute actually. And I'm so happy the white color bag is not in white lining, which I really don't like. I can't help but touching my bag all the time. I'm really loving this texture. Alright, let's look at the made in label. My black 22 bag is made in Italy, whereas my white 22 bag is made in France. But honestly, I don't see any difference, though I really love making France bag better, of course. This is the pendant. I would say they're exactly the same. But of course, I've been using the black one for quite a while, so maybe it's a bit more worn out. But honestly, they're in vintage gold hardware anyway, so it wouldn't make a difference. The next part is what fits. So the most asked question is definitely, can the medium size bag fit the 13-inch MacBook? The answer is yes, of course. There's also some room left. And I can tell you the small size can also fit a 13-inch Apple MacBook. However, I wouldn't recommend it because it is a slouchy bag. You have to have some room after fitting in the laptop in order for it to remain slouchy, alright? Here I will show you what can fit. So I have my coin purse, my AirPods, tissue, phone, Kindle, small umbrella, 13-inch MacBook, my gym shoes, and my yoga wear. So let's try to fit into the small pouch first because I always use it as a hand carry. If I just want to go down to the office to grab a coffee, I use it. So it can fit my Gabrielle coin purse, my tissue, and my AirPods easily. So let's try fitting in my phone as well. You can, but it would be a little bit more clumsy here. But you can still close the zip closure. Alright, let's put the pouch inside. And my mini umbrella, my Kindle, and the biggest piece is my gym shoes. So this is for those of you who would go to the gym sometimes, and if you want to put your training shoes, that's completely not a problem at all. Then my yoga crop top and my yoga leggings. Alright, they fit perfectly. Let's see the most challenging part. I have to admit I'm being a bit aggressive here. So I'm putting in my 13-inch MacBook Pro together with my gym and yoga wear, which is super aggressive. So yes, I could fit in everything. As I told you, you need to leave some room after fitting in a 13 MacBook Pro. That's why I chose medium. Then my phone. There you go. It can fit everything, but of course, it is getting super heavy and super bulky. I would not recommend it, all right? But if you have to, you can. So let's take away my gym shoes because I don't really use them too often. There you go, this is perfect. This is a bonus part. Let's see if that can fit in my mini rectangular. The answer is yes. Let's get to my favorite part, which is 4 different outfit ideas. My first outfit is black and white floral dress with my Jimmy Choo Diosa sandals in 90mm, by the way, and my white trench coat. I love black and white with Chanel bag because this is truly the classic color combo. And I love the 22 bag. It gives that sort of feminine and classic and a bit lazy vibes. My second outfit is a super cozy winter dress in pure wool in a bit of a dark gray color. I love the combination of the 22 bag and the wool fabric because it just gives that sort of lazy winter morning look, which I really adore. What do you think about it? I just love it. This is so easy. My third outfit is also a fall winter outfit with my turtleneck light gray color wool sweater with wide leg jeans. This is more casual chic style and I really enjoy this outfit as well. You can just throw on and go to get grocery or weekend brunch with your friends. I also appreciate that when you wear your Chanel 22 bag with anything that covers your shoulder, it is better for your shoulder because otherwise you're gonna get super heavy. Alright, this is my last outfit, which is in the white tank top, white silk trousers, and my Chanel vintage jacket from the 2007 collection. I love the combination of green and white. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Last but not least, I want to share my final thoughts on the Chanel 22 bag in white color. Ever since it was released from the 22 Spring-Summer collection, at first I was not a big fan, alright? But then I felt like this is so different from the normal Chanel. This is classic, but there is playfulness, there is character, and there is edges. So I thought, why not give it a try? And ever since I got my black Chanel 22 bag, I've been addicted to it and I have been using it for more than 60 times. And it is still looking good. So therefore, I've decided to get my white Chanel 22 bag as well. And I've been enjoying it already for a few times after purchasing it just a couple of weeks ago. And I have to say, I love both my black and white Chanel bag. And if you ask me, should I get a white one if I already have a black one or vice versa? The answer is yes, definitely. Because black and white are the most classic color of Chanel at all times. And this is something so different, so boyish, so lazy, so classic, but so Chanel. And I think you should not miss the 22 bag while you have a chance to grab it. That's it for my video for today. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and also tell me what you think about the Chanel 22 bag in white color. See you guys next time. Bye.